Hello friends, welcome to my HTML tutorial. This is the second video. So in this video we will discuss about paragraph tags. So to create a paragraph tag, it looks something like this. So this is how our paragraph tag looks. So in that we will write this is a paragraph. So now I have kept this is a paragraph tag. So now let's save this file and preview in our browser. So refresh, so you can see here this is a paragraph. So it looks something like this. So now I will write one more. So I will give some space here, but when I gave space there is no space showing here. As you can see, I have given this much space, but here there is no space. So to create some space, we will use non-breaking space tag, which is denoted by end NBSP. So this one end NBSP, one end NBSP gives us one space. Now save your file and let's preview in our browser. You can see it moved to the right side a little bit. So this is nothing but because of our end NBSP non-breaking space tag. Now you can see there are two spaces from right. So now let's continue this so on and see what happens. So save the file. Now let's see where it goes. You can see it moved to right very far away. So I have used here 9 NBSP tags 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 9. So I have used 9 NBSP tags. So now you can also see there are 9 spaces from the right to this is a paragraph sentence. So we use we use NBSP tag like this. So now let's move to the next tag, which is line break tag. Suppose I want to write a paragraph, one up and one down, and it should come exactly down. Let's see how it comes. So after this is a paragraph. I will write my code and this should be bottom. So I will just leave it down like this. But when I save the file and go to my browser, it looks something like this. You can see I have given it down, but it's still on the same line. To give it down, you may say that we can use another paragraph tag for this. Yeah, this is true, but we will get more space in between them. Something like this. You can see it is down, but there is space left here. So to fill the space, we will use our line break tag. So to use this, I will write one more paragraph to force a line to break, and I'll give BR tag which looks like this. So after to force a line to break in two, we use, again I will give here BR tag, line break tag. So I will give the closing p paragraph tag. Now let's see. Let's preview this in our browser. You can see it had no gaps. It exactly came. So we use line break tag for this purpose. So we will continue the same here. So I will save the file, and now let's see. You can see there is a gap left. Before it didn't have the gap, now it has the gap. So this is the line break tag. So we learned paragraph tag and NBSP tag and also BR tag.